A 19-year-old iOS developer just proved that most of us are overthinking productivity systems. He runs his entire development career through just 5 Notion databases, and honestly, it's kind of brilliant. Here's what caught my attention. This isn't another ultimate productivity setup with 30 interconnected databases. It's 5 simple systems that he actually uses daily. The wake-up call was losing $200 on a forgotten freelance invoice. Been there. His approach is refreshingly honest. First attempt, 15 databases with complex rollups and formulas that he never touched. Sound familiar? So he stripped everything down to the essentials: project tracker, bug database, interview prep notes, content calendar, and financial tracking. The project tracker is dead simple, just name, status, priority, and deadlines, no fancy automations. The bug tracker links to his projects but doesn't try to reinvent GitHub issues. His interview prep system stores coding problems he's solved, because let's be real, we all forget that clever algorithm we figured out 6 months ago. What impresses me isn't the databases themselves, it's the discipline. He sets a daily reminder to update his project tracker every morning. 5 minutes. That's it. The system only works if you actually use it. The controversial part, he's selling these templates now, but honestly, his biggest insight is free. A text file you actually maintain beats a Notion database you ignore. I think he's onto something here. We keep building these elaborate productivity cathedrals when what we really need is a tool shed that works. Sometimes the best system is just simple enough to stick with.